Hey guys, what's up? This is my YouTube channel and welcome to my another new video. Today I'll talk about cable versus television TV service 2022 Move.org organization had completed the parsing and reliability of dozens of TV panels from the nation's top reviewers to determine whether cable wait a minute. Cable or satellite TV in battery of your home and your budget. TV versus television TV. Bottom line percent cans pricing ability customers experience service or package. Bottom line moving headings and existing move is here of help have you time by helping you choose between cable and satellite TV service. However, overall we think that cable is the superior service. Cable TV comes into your house via a cable that plug directly into your televisions. That's more reliable than satellite television, but also more expensive unless you bundle with internet and home phone service. Satellite TV signal adds your skin through it is installed on your roof. Then the travel down a cable and into your TV. Satellite television is not as reliable as a cable since weather can cut restrictions, but the more different service pros and cons. High channel condition cable TV branding cable TV high relevant poor context return package stability high channel cable best cost per panel channel we ability broadcasters cable versus TV purchase is cable stability is variable and different the provider you can find cable TV package to $25 to $125, which is $40 to $34. So guys, thank you.